And I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of unable to create account on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will go here to Play Store and you will update your app. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.